When your ambition is great, work on your expression. When your expression is great, work on your balance. When your balance is great, work on your build. And when your build is great, keep on working.
Time to look up again. The new C-Class Cabriolet.
The C-Class Cabriolet combines superb design with very good aerodynamics. Mercedes produces the cars with the lowest drag resistance in almost every segment. This pays off with low fuel consumption and low exhaust emissions. We spent many hours both in the wind tunnel and at the computer so that we could precisely analyze the airflow around the Cabriolet. Work on the aerodynamics starts with the very first design drafts and does not end until the vehicle rolls off the line. The basic vehicle shape and each aerodynamically relevant component are carefully refined until the optimum aerodynamic shape has been combined with the optimum functionality. A low level of wind noise is ensured by a specially developed fabric soft top. We're particularly proud of the air cap system. With AirCap, we ensure maximum airflow calming, and driving with the top down becomes a very pleasant experience when the airspace system makes for considerably more comfort in the interior.
Mercedes-Benz. The best or nothing.